The solution of no electricity in Nigeria is being solved again by another Imo State man based in Aba. This man have built a generator that can power himself. This generator need no gas, even fuel. The worst part of it is that this generator will charge himself until after some months. The man now will now come to check the battery if everything is okay. This one is wonderful. This one is happening live in Aba by this our brother you are seeing here. I'm going to put the brother's name in comment section and also pin her number in the comment section in case if you want to contact this our brother. This thing that our brother built is what we called America Wonder. No be small thing, no. A lot of things are now coming up in Southeast. This our brother have shocked the world again by building this thing. You see that you can have electricity without NEPA. That is what is proving now. And he's building it for people, for shops. Now wow. However, let's go and find out how this thing take dey happen. Welcome back to Balabas Gist. If today na the first time wey dey come across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. We still dey here, dey bring you updates back to back as e dey hot. Make sure say you share this video for more updates because we dey here dey bring you ogbonge news. And wetin we carry come today, na one of our brother don build a generator that use no gas, you don't need to buy fuel, don't need to worry about fuel. You will just put the battery, bam, the thing go start to work, give you light. For your house, you just enjoy light, they go. Now waiting this our brother build, and I'm going to play you the video for you to watch, and we'll go come back and continue. Stay tuned and watch the video, and don't forget to share immediately when you don't watch, because now good thing. The always share good thing, no the share saga.
Because when video I get naming at this very naming your screen. Video I get a cool order now watch video. Onye constructor efa, but this man not here. Why the video is playing. That video, the noiseless, no sound, no no exhaust, no fuel. This is Lister without fuel, without exhaust. It only uses battery. And a battery only usable or run the battery down. Instead of run the battery down, organa return the power to the battery. So let us talk to Chief Oya the state consult here. Ajua ajonemone ndewo.
Ndewo.
Gwegoda ya afa.
Afa mbụ Maazị Nwabụeze Akụta.
Nwabụeze Akụta.
Yeah.
Onye besa.
Ahụ m onye ụmụ arụsịla Amandoba nọ n'Imo State isu.
Okay, onye amarụsịla ụmụ arụsịla Amandoba. Kedu ka isi nweta inspiration iji wee rụọ this list that enwero? They use fuel, they use diesel, they exhaust. One tank.
Ihe mee no onye ọbụla fugono ka obodo Nigeria dị taa. Ihe onye ọbụla anyị na-agbalị ka anyị survive n'ihe ọbụla anyị na-eme. Enwego m experience years back. But nji nwayọ na-eti ya n'ọrụ ka nchọ ka a ga-esi mee ka ọkụ bịa. Enwekwa ụfọdụ ihe ndị m ga-eweta wekanata ya mee ya na-enye ọkụ. From there, mbido ka mbiudo ya ka ọ bụ ibu. Nyewe ọkụ. So all ihe mere o ji dị otu a ọ dị na nye ahụ moto DC and the alternator ya ọ ga-use fuel, ọ ga-use kerosene, ọ ga-use gas, ọtọ ya enye gị ọkụ ọbụla capacity ọbụla ị chọrọ ọ ga-enye gị ya.
And no exhaust.
No exhaust.
That's what.
Ọ nakwa na asụ asụ.
So the has a role. The flywheel is a role.
Yeah.
Like how many kVA capacity when you duplex ọkụ?
Yeah, this one now 20 kVA. So onye ga-use ya with furniture man based on the machines ndị o ji arụ ọ ga-ebu ya.
Okay, you especially do consult this one for a furniture man?
Yes, arụ m ya for a furniture man. So ọ ga-ebu machines o ji arụ because of ihe a na-agabiga na fuel and the gas. So run near this one and all the okay for deliver.
So mother says na etu agata video na eme na agata phone number gị dị na ya. Ọ bụ na akpọọ gị sị gị gị rụtara anyị ife a, nwere ike ịrụ ihe ya ebu duplex bụ AC and fridge.
Ka ọbụla ị chọrọ ịrụ a ga-arụrụ gị ya. Capacity ọbụla ị chọrọ ya. O nwere 7 kVA, 7.5 kVA, 10 kVA, 20 up like that. To any power ị chọrọ ka ọ serve gị, a ga-arụrụ gị ya serve gị.
Okay, the kVA depending on the coil, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Like ihe dị ka ego one ka mmadụ nwere ike idebe rụchara nke 4 rooms and parlor ma ọ bụ 6 rooms and parlor ma nke ebu AC na-abụ na ịtọ with deep freezer. Ihe dị ka ego one ka ị ga-eji construct uru mmadụ ife a, and ka guarantee ị na-enye onye how long ka ife a ga-last wee mebie or wee nwee maintenance.
And lasting ya all continuous. Enweghị the durability nọ there ọ dị 100%. Ọ ga-last serve gị ihe ọbụla ị chọrọ. Maintenance ya wụ at least 6 months.
Change the battery.
Check your battery, check your bearings. That's all. On the size of the ones and the price here, based on the Nigeria, when you know Nigeria is stable. So anytime any person need here, and near the current price in on market that time, because then a mother will keep 200,000 now. You got some materials, you no main increase. So I may before I'm going to put on my phone, Makaya. I got give me in advance. All night could bob literally gave ya the Nibia I'm cost of things that none I had that time. Then a main idea.
Okay, and they were going to go quadromano company. Elanya one Made, Bomazo, Imo State, or Yamanuba, but now basically brought up, is an raised in Abba or Abaka Ibi.
Abba, yeah.
Abaka honor. And are you a graduate?
Yes.
Which school?
I study at Imo State University.
Okay, he's a graduate. Man, if you go near that now, man, I'm going to hear almost like a professor. I could in Ghana school.
No, this one I begin on my this thing when I'm a cousin.
If I got a fair now, I say, you know, go school. Oh, but if you're a professor, lecturer, I could in school. Ilanya one night workable you, you book him attack and a share button. Over mob age about war, saga, barrier mad age share video. If we hear your own I can see share video, and we king your contracts. Government wicking your contract, the Bob and Alcon has in Nigeria. If we got at a fuel on a high price, diesel on a high price. So if you're not mad with and the price is very affordable.
Yes.
And then in the go DVD and nefuna or more. I was even thinking that the thing around the battery down. Or when I wasn't knowing what a battery charger name imbued. So as the battery is controlling that thing, also the thing is also charging the battery, coupled with the flywheel and the coil. So if you're not talented, know what. So because metro my gonna share button. Boy and I can acquaintance that na this phone in our watch. Kai to hear 19 working and car bukene nkai yagazie.
My wonderful people, shebi you don't see am. This thing na our brother from Imo State wey base for Aba na build this thing. A lot of things are coming up right now in Southeast. There is a prophecy that I'm about to release right now. Oh, but I know they carry fake prophecy. Apart from this one where you dey watch like this. Only thing we go do for us now to share this video because this is a good news. We need more of this. We need more of the. I have said this thing before. If you have anything that you can build and you don't know how to bring it to the world, come to this platform. If you reach to the extent of to promote it with money, I will do anything that I make sure say the world hear your voice. Please share this video and make sure that this video go viral. This our brother, this thing that he built, must every home will have it at least. Let us give ourselves light if the government cannot provide light for us. Share the video and make sure say they follow this channel for more updates as it is hot. Shout out to my brother J Park.